Hi friends, we are back. This is me 123 YouTube channel. My location is Nwala Street off Faulks Road, Abia. A very prominent place and street as well. Now this project started today, and they're doing trenching for drainage system. So I want to have this recorded for my audience to view. So this job started this morning while I was going somewhere. So I've come to meet it in this state. So very important. The government has recognized the masses to alleviate their suffering, particularly in road rehabilitation. Let's get a good view of the trenching job that is ongoing.
So you need to clean the car small now. Next year, you need to clean now.
They are defining the level, the depth of this drainage.
Yeah. Next year. I'm going to take the level now. Much I live. Put it back. Put it back. Staff. Carry things here down. Use your pen. Shovel. Keep that on there. Bring things here. You put up your legs side, yeah? Yeah, I don't know what you're doing and then you're right. On this time. Vai, eu toco com o mapa. Now you can show me 1, 2, 3. Go down to now.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
I somehow think that you are a resident of this community.
Yes, of course.
You live around here?
Yes, I do.
Where exactly?
Just opposite.
Okay.
Construction site.
The ongoing project. Yes. I want to find out from you, this project, is it being undertaken by the Abia state government or the federal government of Nigeria? Who is...
According to what I heard, it's been taken by the Abia state government.
that is the leadership of our incumbent governor, Dr. Alex Otti. That's a good one.
Exactly.
For the state to remember this community. And I can see that the people here have suffered terrible road network,
Yes,
you know.
So much.
And in time past, what were they doing? Maybe road resurfacing, or what were they doing to, you know,
Well,
help the people here?
Well, we should talk of the maybe previous
Governments,
administration or
yes,
whatever
yes.
officers in charge of this place.
Yes.
Most times they do come and take surveys,
Okay.
just ask one or two questions,
Okay.
making some promises.
Okay.
But I think with this administration, Alex Otti is different
Yes.
because immediately they came,
Yes.
they brought in their material last night around 8:30 in the evening.
Okay. That's those materials we can see,
Yes, those
right?
materials, yes, just
Okay.
like
That's good. That's good.
And,
That's good. We have seen it.
as you can see today,
They commenced work.
immediately.
Wow, that's a
To show
good
that,
one.
This is not a hanky-panky.
Yes, yes.
project.
There's no trick there.
Yes, so it's serious and straightforward.
Again, I want to find out, are you people excited?
Wow.
Is
very
there
exciting.
is there excitement in the community?
I think it's long overdue because
Okay.
so many people have talked about walking. You know, this is a major road. This
Yes.
Nwala.
Yes.
It links people to Ukwapu
Okay.
Junction. So
Okay.
it's an exciting project. Everybody is seriously happy.
Is there any connecting point between this road and Umule Road?
Yes.
Okay, there's a connecting point.
There's a connecting point.
So I think what the governor is doing is to make sure that every road that is bad is being reconstructed, and they're also connected together.
Yes.
And I want to wish that after the road reconstruction, there's going to be electrification projects, especially solar street light. That is what the governor is doing. So I want to plead on behalf of this community that after this road is thoroughly completed, the government of Abia State will do more as well by bringing solar electrification projects so that in the night this place will be like day. The people are happy, they're excited. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope to see you again, and maybe
Nice
in some other
to meet
areas.
you, yeah.
And are there other things you want the government to do for you?
Well, I think you've said the most essential part.
Okay. Road and lights.
Road and lights.
Okay.
If we have that, I think.
Do you have electricity here?
Well, if I should give my own rating,
Yes.
sometimes it's constant. But
Yes.
sometimes we do have power shortage for a long period of time.
Okay.
So if they can work on that sector, I think it would be nice too.
Okay. The government they are hearing us. There is need to make sure that this part of Aba is connected to Aba Power. And again, it seems from what I'm saying here that the prepaid meter is not so common here. Do you use prepaid meter?
Not yet.
You don't
it's
use?
Not yet common.
Please.
You know, the other time, that was precisely last year.
Okay.
In the middle of last year, some people came saying that they will distribute prepaid meter.
Okay.
That we should do some kind of registration for people that want it.
Okay.
But
Up until now,
it was not done.
you've not seen them. Okay.
Because we're expecting them to come.
Okay.
Only some few individuals that maybe they are connected. I don't know much.
Okay.
But in majority, most of the residents here don't have prepaid meter.
Okay. We are using this medium to let the state government know that the people here need prepaid meter. And some of them are as well, I've got a complaint that some of them, their transformer is bad.
Exactly.
If the government can use the Ministry of Power and Energy, the commissioner involved, to look into this situation. The people here are happy. And added to their joy will be constant electricity supply, issuing them with prepaid meter. And again, they are solidly behind the administration of Dr. Alex Otti. Young man, thank you for spending your time with us. Do have a great day. Do have a great day.
2027.
Yes.
All right, bye.
Yeah, bye. So let me now see. Let me see how far they have gone here. So friends, so far this is what this team have been able to establish today. This work started today and they're moving at a very fast pace, and we want to hope and believe that in no distant time this project will be fully completed. And again, very interesting, they've taken their levels here. Engineer, well done. Yeah, good day. Well done. So they are doing blinding. Yes, you can see reinforcement going on. That's a good one. This job started today and they have got this far. Kudos to this team and the government of the day. We're talking about our able governor, Dr. Alex Otti. Don't forget, this is Nwala Street. This project started today and they have got this far. So we're monitoring the situation here, giving you situation reports.